It's early morning in a bustling Toyota factory in post-war Japan. Machines hum, workers move with sharp purpose, and Taiichi Ohno stares at a pile of chaotic inventory cluttering the floor. What if you could cut that mess by half, then again and again? Ohno's challenge, to rethink production not by adding more but by stripping away everything unnecessary. How does lean manufacturing transform chaos into a symphony of efficiency? Imagine you're drowning in a sea of parts, waiting and wasting money. Ohno's first revelation was radical. Waste isn't just unwanted, it's a silent killer of productivity. Back in the early 1950s at Toyota's Koromo plant, Ohno mapped out 7 types of waste: overproduction, waiting, transporting, excess inventory, motion, defects, and overprocessing. He didn't just theorize. He watched human hands and machines waste time and material with painful precision. Picture inventory like a bucket full of holes. No matter how much you pour in, the water leaks. Ohno saw that piling up excess parts wasn't a safety net. It masked problems and drained resources. Just-in-time is about fixing those holes, not filling the bucket. By relentlessly cutting waste, Toyota boosted efficiency dramatically, defying traditional mass production dogma. Factories that once groaned under excess now danced with precision. The surprise? Less really can be more in speed, quality, and morale. Ever seen assembly lines that choke and stall? Taiichi Ohno's genius was turning production into a smooth, pulse-like flow. But how do you tune that rhythm perfectly? At Toyota, Ohno introduced just-in-time. Parts arrive exactly when needed, no sooner, no later. One striking canteen tale: workers waited minutes for parts before realizing too much stock slowed everything. JIT cut wait times drastically, like getting an espresso exactly when you need a boost, not before or after. Kanban cards, a simple system of cards hooked to parts bins, acted like gentle whispers on the shop floor. Instead of shouting inventory needs, Kanban signals flowing parts subtly urge the pace in perfect balance. It's like a well-rehearsed jazz band where each player cues the next. The payoff? Production lines synced like heartbeats, responding with balance and only making what's immediately needed. A pull system. This reduces overproduction and waste, proving flow isn't just mechanics. It's a finely tuned human-machine dance that trusts the rhythm over brute force. Lean isn't static, it's a relentless pursuit. Ohno's secret sauce? Kaizen, or continuous improvement, baked into the company's DNA. But it's more than buzzwords. What transforms a plant into a learning organism? Ohno famously empowered workers, saying those closest to the process spotted waste and opportunities first. At Toyota, shop floor teams held daily Kaizen meetings. Small fixes like adjusting a conveyor speed or rearranging tools radically cut downtime. Taiichi valued Frontline insight over ivory tower plans. One tiny change, relocating a toolbox by 3 steps, saved countless minutes daily. Multiply that across thousands of workers and weeks and you have exponential savings. It was real-world math. Small improvements ripple out, transforming mountains of inefficiency into smooth hills. This constant feedback loop created a culture where mistakes weren't punishments but signals. The plant became a living lab, always evolving. It demolished complacency and taught us a crucial truth: improvement never ends, and neither should your curiosity. Remember that cluttered Toyota factory floor Taiichi Ohno first stared at? It wasn't chaos. It was a challenge wrapped in opportunity. By cutting waste, tuning flow like a heartbeat, and embedding continuous improvement into every worker's day, Toyota rewrote the rulebook on productivity. Try this. Next time you hit a frustrating bottleneck, ask yourself, what small waste can I cut or flow can I smooth right now? Lean starts with that question. Subscribe for more book summaries like this one.